Are you curious about how to make more money when you list your home? Who isn't? Hi, I'm Kurt Clements with eXp Realty in the far west suburbs of Chicago. Here are 2 simple strategies you can use when you list your home for sale. If used properly, you should see more money in your pocket. List low and make more. These words don't make much sense when you hear them together, but let's investigate it further. When you price your home slightly below market value, you will generate more showings than if it's overpriced. That makes sense. The more showings on your home, the more offers you will receive. And multiple offers are what we all want when selling our home. Multiple offers means more money in your pocket. And we want to set an offer deadline. Another strategy to consider is to set a deadline for offers. This strategy helps motivate those buyers who procrastinate or stall. Buyers know they only have a certain amount of time to see the property and write an offer. These are just 2 of the numerous marketing options you have as a seller to make more money when you properly list your home for sale. So if you're curious about your next move, reach out. We'll lay out all your options so you can make a confident decision that's best for you and your family. Thanks again for watching, and as always, we're here to help, and we'll talk with you soon.